Hi friends! Today we are going to go over our first trimester sight words. So sight words are words that we can just look at and know without having to sound them out at all. So it might be a little bit tricky at first, but the more you practice through these, I promise it'll get easier and you'll start to know more and more of them. So this video, you can use it for days where somebody might not have as much time to go through these with you, or parents, you can use this video for just kind of a quick explanation on how you might go through these videos with your child. Either way, we will get started. So here we go. Here's our first word. So what word is that? I'll give you a minute. Say it right out loud. That's the word up. Can you say up? Good job. Alright, here's our next word. What word is that? This is the word is. Say is. Good job. Alright. How about this word? This is the word a. Can you say a? Good job. What word is that? This is the word the. Can you say the? Good job. Alright, how about this one? What word is that? It's a little blurry, hopefully you can see it. This is the word I. Can you say I? Like I go to the store. How about this word? What word is that? This word is the word you. Can you say you? Good. For example, you are a student in my class. How about this word? What word is that? This is the word look. Can you say look? Good job. Alright. How about this word? This is the word for. Can you say for? Good job. Alright. Here's the next one. What word is this? This is the word said. Can you say said? Good job. Okay. How about this one? This is the word go. Can you say go? Good job. Alright, here we go. How about this word? Do you know what that word is? This is the word to. Can you say to? Like I go to my friend's house. Okay. How about this word? Remember, say it right out loud. This is the word in. Can you say in? Good. Okay. What word is that? This is the word and. Can you say and? Good job. Okay, here we go. What word is this now? That's the word we. Can you say we? Like we go to school. We do school at home. Good job. Alright, how about this word? That is the word it. Can you say it? Good job. Alright, and that is all of our first trimester sight words. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need. Talk to you soon.